Let's go here. It's like an igloo. Oh, and then it ends in. I think this is their fridge where they save food for the winter.
Don't you think it's like a toilet?
That would smell pretty nasty in here. Where does the smell go? Dear. I guess the only option is further down.
You think it's the fridge?
There's light down there.
Yeah.
Not much light in this. Will you also remember you have to come up again, no?
I have to?
Well, unless you want to stay down there. You can, of course, if you want.
Somebody throw like a cigarette down.